burn.
It's a harmony, you guys don't know about that.
Thought of it being with someone else, but you know that it's over. Let it burn, let it burn. Gotta let it burn. It ain't the same. Her name. Understand. Love where it fell. Now it's too late. Now it's too late. No, I ain't turning back.
Oh, this is my favorite part.
Shorty back. What I'm gonna do without my boo?
Oh, yeah, sit right there.
Too long. Let me burn until you return. The same in your body. Don't want you. You know, gotta let it go. Jumping like you used to.
Why didn't you hit those notes up there?
I can.
Do it.
You crazy? You don't think I can hit that? If I can sing that Darkness song, I know I can sing Usher.
Are you singing that now?
Yeah.
Yeah, I love that song.
I haven't listened to the song in forever.
Can't explain all the feelings that you're making me feel. Heart's in overdrive and you're behind the steering wheel. Touching you, touching me.
The sad part is Mr. Rose is seriously how hot they sing in the song.
Guess what? Guess what?
I believe in a thing called love. Just listen to the rhythm of my heart. There's a chance we can make it now. We'll be rocking till the sun goes down. I believe in a thing called love. Ooh. I wanna kiss you every minute, every hour, every day. Let me in and spin, but everything is a-okay. Touching you, touching me.
Yeah. Except for the background. It's pretty sweet stuff.
Touching you, that's the touch of you. I believe in a thing called love. Just listen to the rhythm of my heart. There's a chance we can make it now. We'll be rocking till the sun goes down. I believe in a thing called love. Ooh.
Guess what?
It's her.
Doe White? What's the tag says Doe White?
Come on, sing along.
Touching you, touching me, touching you, yes, you're touching me. I believe in a thing called love. Just listen to the rhythm of my heart. There's a chance we can make it now. We'll be rocking till the sun goes down. I believe in a thing called